Hey guys, and welcome back to my Ford Ranger channel here. And I figured out what was wrong with my shifting linkage. There really ain't nothing wrong with it. It's my transmission range sensor, or like other people like to call it, the neutral safety switch. And I will show you here in just a second. Okay, so I'm in the truck right now. Now I'll show you what I'm talking about. But first I'm gonna push the e-brake in. And I'm gonna just turn the key to the on position. Turn that off. Turn my volume down on my radio. It's hard to get up and down the gears. So I'll show you how I can tell that's not working. So I'm gonna get my tool set. I got a flathead screwdriver. I don't ruin that. This big one here. I'll show you what it is. This black thing right here is the transmission range sensor. This right here is my linkage that connects to it. So this basically tells you what gear it's in. And I'll show you what happens when I take this bushing off of it. So it's all the way off. And here, back in the truck again. Watch this. I can move that easily. So what I'm gonna try is adjusting this right here. Take this off and I can move the safety switch a little bit. And hopefully that might fix it. If it doesn't, then the whole thing is bad. So it basically determines if you can start your vehicle, and it tells your vehicle what gear your vehicle is in. So let's see, I don't believe it'll be 12. Let me check real quick. So I got an 8mm. I'm gonna loosen this up. See if I can get this thing adjusted. If this doesn't adjust, then there's something wrong. Hold on just a second. So I loosened it up and it ain't adjusting, so I'm gonna put this back together and we'll see if I get a new trans range sensor. But hopefully I can get that back on there. Anyway, thanks for watching.